In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and share YouTube channel link using two methods. So in the first method, we shall have to log into YouTube Studio, but in the second method, you don't have to log into your YouTube channel or YouTube Studio. And for this, you can share any YouTube link, even for a channel that is not yours. So let me begin with the YouTube Studio method. For that, you can go to any browser and then log into your YouTube Studio. I am on my YouTube Studio here, and then tap on the menu icon here. And from here, look for the option called Customize. And we have here Customize. If I click on Customize, now I'll be able to see the channel details that are here. And now you can see we have here the channel URL. So to copy the channel URL, just go ahead and tap on this copy button, which is this. Just like that, it is copied. Now from here, if I want to go maybe and share it on WhatsApp, I just go ahead and tap on WhatsApp, and then find the page or the contact that I want to share with this link, and I'll just long press and then paste. And now you can see the URL of my channel will be fetched, and then I'll be able to share it. And here we go. The URL link has been fetched. Now I can go ahead and share with anyone. So that is the first method. Now in the second method, you can just go directly to YouTube. And for this, just go ahead and search the name of the YouTube channel that you want to find the link. So for this, I just go ahead and look for search here. You can search for your channel or any other channel, and then just tap on it. And then under it, if you click on more here, under more information, you'll be able to see your channel link. Now, if you go ahead and again long press on this, now you'll get an option to copy link. So go ahead and tap on copy link, which is this. And now you can go ahead and now paste it. Also, you can send it as an email or send it to your contact. So I'll also go ahead and also paste this here. And if you paste, now you see, again, the link will be copied here. And here we go. Now you can go ahead and send it. So this will also make it possible for us to share the link. And I have shared it successfully. Should anyone now go ahead and maybe tap on it, it will take him or her directly to YouTube. And now they can visit your channel. As you can see, this will take them direct to homepage. If you also try the first one, as you can see, it will still take them to the homepage of this YouTube channel. So that's how you find and share a YouTube link using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.